Hello and welcome back. Security is a major issue for logistics providers. The new multi-sensor camera is definitely interesting for the industry.
Camera with AI engine, also called as multi-sensor camera, offers the industry's thinnest design and can contain 3 to 4 sensors within one camera unit to track and display 4 various scenes with one unit, all for a wide range of visibility with lower installation cost. Thanks to the AI analytical application's capability, the system can identify objects such as people or vehicles or detect suspicious sound with external mic. Especially within the logistics sector, this application is seamlessly integrated with the warehouse environment and saves a lot of resources.
Less space and more detection within one camera system. That's great. Thanks a lot for joining me through our logistics solutions, and be excited for an update in our smart store in the next video. Take care.